Can I ask you a question? What was your life dream growing up? I mean, you were told you could do anything. All you had to do was go to school, get a degree, work a good job, and retire. Well, chances are that plan didn't work out so well. I mean, think about it. It didn't work for your grandparents, your parents, or you. But here you are, you're still teaching it to your children. It is a broken philosophy of wealth. And chances are you are part of the 97% of the world that are trapped. I mean, trapped in debt, commuting long distances to work, only to arrive at a job you really don't like and live check to check, barely having any savings at all. While living expenses, well, they're continuing to increase. I mean, you probably feel as though you're not paid enough and don't even have a clue on how you're going to retire. Was this really your dream growing up? I'm talking about the dreams you had, the dreams of buying that mansion, your favorite sports car, paying off your parents' mortgage, traveling around the world. Well, they're going to forever remain that way. Just dreams, nothing more, nothing less. But what if I told you you were wrong? What if there is a way to get there? An actual equation to freedom and wealth, a science behind the way money works. What if you did not have to abandon your dreams? Would you believe me? Would you take the time to watch the rest of this video? Would you act now and seize the opportunity? Would you take the red pill and allow me to show you the way out of the matrix? Or would you take the blue pill and continue to let your life be the same? So, are you ready? We have to start with this broken philosophy of wealth. Traditional schools don't teach wealth. School didn't tell you how to manage your money or how to obtain excellent credit or eliminate debt or even pay as little taxes as possible. School had one mission and one purpose only. School trained you how to get a job, a job. What's wrong with a job, you may ask me? A job will leave you just over broke. A job is the journey of the broke. And unfortunately, this is the wrong money equation. I'm assuming that if you're still watching this video, you want to make money and lots of it, and you want to do it in as short as time as possible. Well, this equation doesn't work. Here it is. Wealth equals job plus wages. Well, you can see that this doesn't work. I mean, think of it this way. If your job pays you $20 an hour and you work 40 hours in a week, it would take you nearly 24 years to earn $1 million. That is without subtracting any taxes or any expenses that you will incur over the next 24 years. And God knows you have to include inflation. 24 years to make $1 million? So how does one get to freedom and wealth? Well, I'll tell you. You have to change your wealth equation. Here it is. Wealth equals passive income plus dividends minus taxes. Guys, we all have one precious resource, the most important resource of all. And once it is gone, there's no way of getting it back. I mean, that resource is time. Time is the currency of life. You spend time just like you spend money. Therefore, you must stop exchanging time for money and develop passive income. So I ask you to stop chasing money and learn to manage time. You see, rich people, they buy time, and poor people, well, they sell time. Every time you go to work for someone else, you're selling your time. You're selling your time for $10, $15, or $20 an hour that keeps you just over broke. The rich, they leverage time. They can use their time however they want to because they've already purchased yours. The rich understand that true wealth and freedom only comes by passive income. Which brings us to the next part of the equation, dividends. See, the skill of multiplying money is the key to freedom. True wealth and freedom only occurs by putting money to work. Your money must make money. You must find a way to make your money duplicate itself without exchanging time for it. Wealthy people, they purchase stocks, they buy real estate, they trade in the Forex market, And in return, they are rewarded with dividends. The awesome thing about dividends is that they not only make money without you trading time for it, they're also taxed at a lower rate than a job. With dividends, the rich get both a tax benefit and passive income. They have learned the art of being free through investing. The third part of the equation is taxes. Taxes are the real enemy of wealth. The average person loses a minimum of 25% of their gross income to taxes. How can you ever build wealth when you're losing money before you even receive it? You can't. The rich have learned to reduce their taxes to almost nothing. In the year 2020, some of the largest corporations paid $0 in taxes. Amazon, 0 taxes. Delta, 0 taxes. Chevron, 0 taxes. General Motors, 0 taxes. Netflix, 0 taxes. Eli Lilly, 0 taxes. Starbucks, 0 taxes. The rich understand how taxes affect wealth. How many of you would like a 25% raise tomorrow? Well, you can by eliminating your taxes. I want to show you how. I want to show you how to play the same game the rich and the free play every single day. I want to show you how to be free. I know I've been speaking about wealth. However, money really isn't this final destination. This presentation is about obtaining one thing traditional schools have never taught you, the one thing you've been desiring all of your life: freedom. How to be free. Freedom to do what you want when you want and never have to worry about these thoughts. Can I afford this? When do I have to be back? How much vacation time do I still have? Do I have any more sick days? How long can I spend with my newborn after giving birth? How am I going to pay my bills? Do I have enough to retire? Can I live my life's purpose? This presentation is not about money at all. Oh no, it's about freedom. How much longer will you live without being free? Choose today. Choose to be free. At Be Free University, we will teach you how to maximize your cash flow, become debt-free, how to minimize your taxes, the opportunity to have your own business, build a real estate empire, and then we teach you how to take control of your time by developing passive income. Do you want to learn a new trade that will help you be free? Real estate, forex, day trading, digital marketing, credit repair franchises, trust, will, and estate planning, network marketing, tax franchises, business startups and development. The list goes on and on and on. But these are the skills you need to change your wealth equation. I put before you the opportunity to never live life the same again. But you have to make the choice to be free. Be Free University.